Imagine being locked in a cage for life. No freedom, no choice, no voice. That's the reality for thousands of animals in captivity across Canada. Captivity causes mental and physical harm to animals. They suffer from stress, depression, and even self-harm. They aren't just on display, they're trapped. Zoos and aquariums often claim to educate, but most animals in captivity are not endangered. Many of them were taken from the wild or bred in captivity. They rarely return to the wild, and they never live the way nature intended. These animals often live in spaces that are too small, unnatural, and lack the stimulation they need. A lot of animals, specifically large marine animals, are forced to perform for human entertainment. Animals in captivity can suffer from psychosis, a condition caused by extreme stress and boredom. They show signs like pacing, biting the bars, or rocking back and forth. But there are better ways. Wildlife sanctuaries and rehabilitation centers give animals safe, natural homes where they can recover and thrive before being released back home. And you can make a difference. Ways you can help are not supporting animal entertainment, spreading awareness, and supporting true sanctuaries. I chose to speak up about animal captivity because they can't speak for themselves. I plan on continuing to spread awareness, not just through this video, but by sharing facts, starting conversations, and encouraging others to learn the truth. Animals can't speak for themselves, so we have to be their voice.